This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. This home is located in the desirable Cedar Point SD at Lake Blackshear. The home features 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The home has a split floor plan on the main floor with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The second floor has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. The kitchen features granite countertops and custom cabinets with a breakfast bar and breakfast table. The formal dining room is ideal for large family gatherings. The family room has high cathedral ceilings with fireplace and built-in cabinets. The home has a large attached garage and a detached garage/shop. The home has a large backyard with a patio covered pergola, privacy fence, and fire pit area. The home has a private covered boat slip with lift just yards from their back gate. Also, members of the community pool and pool house is just out the back gate. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.